Make a great choice today with the 2020 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes, autonomous braking. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.